Welcome back. It's Nick Green again here at J-Tech. Today what I'm going to talk about is how to test the battery in your vehicle. What you'll need is a battery tester. You can get them at Napa or any auto parts store. I recommend Napa, like this one here. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do before you turn the vehicle on, it's just like jumper cable, just going to connect it to the battery, positive to positive, negative to negative, okay? Pretty simple. Like so. It'll beep, and basically from here what you're going to do is just follow instructions. Now in my case I have a helper sitting in the vehicle for me, so he's going to do all the manual labor, but it's possible to do it yourself. The cord is long enough to pull it into the vehicle with you. So right now I'm running 12.43 volts out of this battery. Not too bad. Most batteries run about 12.6 brand new, so we're doing all right there. Next thing I'm going to do is hit the enter button. Alright, battery location, we're going to be in the vehicle, so I'll select that. This is a top post battery, as you can see. So I'm going to select the top post. That's what the little arrow indicates. Automotive. This is a regular flooded battery. Alright, here it says CCA. Now that means cold cranking amps. If you take a peek here at the top of the battery, right here, cold cranking amps, it says 660. So I will hit enter. Here it's already set, but I'll show you if you hit the down or up arrows, you can change the cold cranking amps. So 660, there you go. Enter. Now it's going to go ahead and test that battery. All right, 12.43 volts, we're good. Now it's ready for the test. So it's telling me to go ahead and hit enter to test it. All right, start it up. We're going to step away from the motor so you can hear me a little better. All right, now it's asking me to press enter for the charging test. Now it's checking the alternator. All right, rev it up. Rev the engine with the loads off. What that means is to rev the motor with no lights on, no radio, none of that. All right, hit enter. Now it's going to test it at idle with no loads on the motor. All right, turn your headlights on, the radio on, the AC on. Now it's testing at idle with loads on. Now we're going to rev the motor. Now we're going to cut everything. So turn off the loads and the engine. We're going to shut it down. Hit enter. So here you can see there's no problems. With no loads on the motor while it's running, it pulls about 14.6 volts. And when it's loaded, 14.4. So that's not too bad. So this is a pretty good battery. This vehicle happens to have a brand new alternator on it. But that's, that's pretty good. This is a fairly cheap piece of equipment you can get to test your battery. It's fairly easy. So there's really not much else to it, So that's about it for today on how to test your battery and to make sure your vehicle's running properly. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You can check me out on my YouTube page. I'll have another video up soon. And just remember, you ain't cool unless your chrome's shining. Thanks, guys.